Good morning guys, my name is Shendu and today I am going to show a basic Python flask to ajax interaction. For demo I choose a calculator and let me show you the implementation first. We have three files here: flask file, HTML file and JS file. So first we will run the flask file and I will show you the implementation here before explaining. So here I will get this link. Just copy the link and paste the link here. So as you can see, there are two input blocks. I will give 5 and 4 here and then calculate. See, this is a we got the result: 5 plus 4, 5 minus 4, 5 into 4, 5 by 4. This is just a basic HTML page without any CSS, just to show the Python flask to ajax interaction. So let me dive into the code now. So this is the code here. This is a flask program in Python. Here first I am importing flask and necessary functions from this flask package. We can install the flask using pip install flask command, and then you can see we are making an app, flask app here. So a flask app can be made in this method, and I am running it here, app.run. So generally what flask do is it will bind the URLs to the functions. As you can see here, we are binding this URL to the main function. So whenever we run the flask, the command this is a running link and the slash shows the URL binded. So whenever we run the flask, this URL will be running. So the main function will run, and what main is doing is it is rendering the template main.html. Generally, all the templates should be stored in a folder, template folder. So main.html, which is in template folder, will be running, and this is the main.html file. In main.html, we are just creating two inputs, A and B, and then a calculation button, as you saw here, A, B and calculation button, and then we have a results division: add, subtract, multiply, divide, for which there is no input now, but we will get the input from JS. So once any user click on the calc button, it will redirect him to the JS page, and this is the JS code here. We will redirect him to this math.js page, and math.js page, on clicking the button, or the response will go to this URL /API/alc. We are returning A and B values here. Sorry, we are returning A and B values to this URL, and in /API/alc URL, which is binded to add function, will be getting the A value and B value from this JS using this program: int request.ajax.get A and ajax.b. Generally it will be string, so we are typecasting it to int, and here we will perform the operations like addition, multiplication, subtraction and division, and we are returning them through JSON file. What JSON file do is it will convert them into key value pairs, and on successful returning of the data, we are accessing them in key value pairs like data of A equal to A value, data of B value, add their addition, and etc. In this way we are accessing them. Here you can see the output, A, B and their addition, A minus B and the subtraction. So in this way, here we are accessing the data and we are pushing it to the respected divs. As we have created divs here, add, subtract, multiply, division divs, we are pushing the data into the respective divs using like this in Ajax. So that's it guys. That's in that way we prepared a basic calculator function, and we connected Python flask to Ajax. Happy learning.